These little rockets. I know there's more in there. I know there's more smoke bombs in there.
Mom coming?
I guess you're gonna have stuff for when you go to Florida. Hey guys.
Hey.
Mr. Puff here. I got a little bomb. I don't even know what this is gonna do, but I'm gonna throw it.
Okay, let's get started.
Really fast. This is supposed to fly, so it might kill us.
All right.
Run.
Oh.
That one didn't have a stick on it.
What's that?
Well, it's supposed to fly. Oh. It's called a ladybug.
Oh, nice.
Oh. Run. Oh. What is it doing?
What was that?
Bro.
What was that?
Bro, just light all of those.
Oh, my bad. Here, you light it.
Ooh. Are we gonna do all of them, or what's happening?
Oh, yeah, light that one.
Just that one?
You gotta put it right on it.
I can't see with your hands
Well, I have
covering
blocking the wind for you. It's not lit. Wait. This lighter's running out. Mama, you got a lighter?
I do.
Well, we need it.
You need my lighter.
Well, too high. Too high.
I guess.
What?
Whoa.
Woo!
Where's the other one? Oh.
Right there.
Get the lighter.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, let me put the lighter on these up.
You don't need.
Okay. Oh, that's where that missing one went. Found it.
Oh.
Put them all together.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Well, they have tried. They won't fly that way.
So?
Oh.
Run! Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What the heck was that?
Uh-oh. It was a dud, I guess.
Yeah.
Just, if it explodes, we die.
Sure.
Start and die. Oh.
I guess he stuck that one in too far. There's one more.
Okay. Don't see any lights?
Just
gotta make sure that it didn't.
But they're froze in these boots. I wish I would have worn.
Guys.
Oh, no. Those are bad boots to wear.
Got you.
Well, they're for mud.
I mean, they're smart boots to wear for now, but not in the cold.
Yeah, these are not good for colds.
You break that, I think, yeah.
Okay, light fuse here.
Light fuse, okay. So it goes out that way?
I think it comes up from the top, I guess.
We'll figure it out.
Poor.
You got another lighter on you?
I do.
This one's working for me.
Wait, don't light
can
it.
I want to light both at the same time so we can both blow each other up.
Oh.
Okay, we're not blowing each other up, but we're just
Wonderful.
gonna stick it up in the sky.
I'm getting away if you're blowing each other up.
Should I get the other lighter, Wyatt?
Okay, hold that. Wait, what is it? Okay.
No, just give me both fuses and I'll.
Yeah. Okay. I think that one is the more dangerous one.
What the?
That's why it was packaged like that.
We'll
See,
double.
this one's just right there.
We'll double fuse it.
I got the most dangerous one. Oh no.
Aim
I'm
this
gonna aim like this.
up. No.
Yeah.
No.
No, because if it
That's-
comes back out. So
I know.
hold
I'm
it by
playing.
the
I'm
side.
playing. I'm gonna hold it like this.
Okay, put
Okay.
the fuse up.
Mine's tiny.
Share fuses. Touch fuses.
Don't get scared. Just let it light.
Oh. No, other way, other way. Flip it, flip it. Oh, it is that way. Okay, good.
I think I'm done. Ah! Chickens.
It's turkeys.
You woke the turkeys up.
And
Okay,
I
we
feel
got
like I
one
hear
for you.
dogs barking in the
Yay.
house.
This is the.
How many is this? I think this one has a lot of kick to it, so just be careful.
Oh.
Yeah, that one
She can
almost
handle
flew
a lot
right-
of
I wanna
kick.
like this. This one, that one almost flew right out of my hand.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be dangerous giving this to her. She's gonna be shooting at everyone. Run from her.
Holding hands.
Too bad.
Ooh. Oh.
That was cool.
I think we're good.
Shoot Wyatt.
No.
No, we're good. I felt it stop.
Red and blue because we're police.
Yes, sir. What's these?
Smoke bombs.
Smoke bombs.
We're just gonna go run around.
Oh, we don't have to throw it or anything.
We probably should,
Should what?
but I kind of want to just hold them.
Okay. I'm gonna throw mine at you.
I'm standing back.
I think we can. You want to just throw
Bro,
'em and
I'd
see what
I'd
happens?
really prefer if you threw them.
To make sure.
Yeah.
I think you're just. These ones are just smoke bombs.
You can hold
I
it.
like
I'm gonna throw mine.
I like y'all with your hands. Especially Mr. Viper. I like him with his hands.
He's good with them, huh? Put your hand more down. Difficulties. Mommy, we need your lighter.
Ah! Somebody come
We need a
get me.
lighter. That one's not working.
I don't want to. My feet are dead.
Smoke bombs. My hands are freezing. Are yours?
I got gloves. But yes, they are still very cold.
Behind you, behind you.
Oh,
I don't know, but it's. Wait, go close to it.
No, 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 no. Here, light this, light this. Get the camera.
You think you can just hold it?
throw it.
Right there. Go to it. Come on.
Yeah, they're just smoke bombs.
It's gonna be smoky now. Go film the fire pit. Oh, we're surviving.
Oh, it's right here. We got a fire.
Yeah, I guess so. Okay, where's explosives?
I'm just setting these up.
Should make them very loose.
Yep.
Just start like beating them into the ground for a minute, right?
Right here.
And make sure the hole's nice and loose. Well, I was gonna say just like.
Oh, now it didn't go stick.
It's just sitting.
What the fuck, bro?
You better fly. Okay,
Let's do them all at
where's
once.
One more. Get in there. We're gonna put 2 together.
Okay. Hold these.
Oh,
Hold these.
Okay, here, I'll do this. Can you like twist them together a little bit?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Here, just take it off the ground and then twist them.
No.
Well, you don't want them in the ground.
you want to hold it?
Yeah, and I'll throw them.
All right, sounds good. Sounds good.
You want me to do it since you have gloves on?
Here, you got this. I'm a babushka.
Some of these like to explode.
Yeah. If only we had tape. Trying to set the rest of these up.
Oh, my hands. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Face them that way.
Tell me!
Turkeys love it.
Okay, guys, are they like in there or are they loose?
They're loose.
Wait.
I'm trying to light all 3 at once.
That's what I was thinking.
Oh, they're. Oh, wait, can you make them close? Wait, all 3 together at the same time. Okay, wait. Yeah, we'll just put them.
Oh, it's snowing. Unless that was just ashes.
Probably just ash. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, great. We got the cops coming.
I hear that.
The oink oinks.
Ain't gonna know.
Fire truck. Hold them like this, you get them situated.
Someone called the cops. Something exploded.
I'm gonna hide if cops come up in here.
Yeah, you got the barn.
Trying to block the wind.
Whew.
Give it a second.
Yeah, just wait.
Okay, you know what? Leave those be for a little bit.
My hands.
They're smoke wands.
Smoke ones.
Yeah, these ones smell. Guess we'll save these. Yeah.
All right, I guess we're done, right?
Where's mine?
That's it.